What is up nga pala sa inyo mga ka-professional, at katulad nga ng naipangako ko from our last video, today isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang ating second and last part ng ating online haul. Hindi ko na pinaligoy-ligoy pa at direktang shinare kagad sa inyo ang ganda ng final wall decor natin na nagbigay ng buhay sa ating flat white pegboards or wall organizers. With a touch of that high vibrant posters, minimalist wall clock at RGB dimmed light na hugis van, pagbigyan niyo na ako mga ka-professional with this last line, pero this crop is definitely a work of art, a masterpiece. Yan. This is Engineer Patrick nga pala ang inyong ka-professional, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, since napanood nyo na sa simula ang end result ng ating video, hoping pa din naman ako na magka-interest kayo on how I built this poster frames. At baka pwede nyong kapulutan ng idea with your future wall decoration projects. The installation does not need any further modification at minabuting mag-adhere na lang with the instructions given by the manual. So sit back and relax na lang mga ka-professional at i-enjoy till the very end our final online haul video that covers all of the installation of our wall decoration together with our wall organizers or pegboard. May you find this video interesting? Why not express your reactions, or baka meron kayong further suggestions, question, or advice? You can comment that as well down below. Maraming salamat po. Once again, thank you for all the support on this video and I really hope na kinapulutan nyo ng ideas ang video na ito. Para sa mas marami pang content tulad ng video na ito, you may follow this account so you may be notified to our future posts. At eto nga pala ulit ang inyong ka-professional Engineer Patrick, looking forward to see you on our next video. Cheers!